Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
First, install the Google app on your tablet from the Play Store or App Store. Use tablets running Android 8, 0 or newer, or iPad OS 13 or newer. After installation, open the Google app and grant camera and storage permissions when prompted. These two permissions allow Lens to analyze images and save results. Next, locate the Lens icon inside the Google search bar at the top of the app. Tap the Lens icon once and wait roughly 3 seconds for the camera interface to appear. Point the tablet camera at the subject you want analyzed and frame it clearly. Use the on-screen grid and hold the tablet steady before you tap the shutter button. You can also switch to Live View to get real-time results as you move the camera. Alternatively, tap the gallery icon to analyze an existing photo from your device. After capture, select one of the mode icons like Search, Text, or Shopping to get focused results. Each mode refines analysis and highlights actionable items on the screen. When Lens highlights results, tap any area to open detailed information and actions. For product highlights, choose Shopping to view prices, reviews, and similar items instantly. For text results, choose Select to copy text to clipboard or choose Translate to convert text between languages. Use the Listen option to hear text read aloud when available for accessibility. Adjust search filters or tap Repeat Scan to refine results and capture different angles. Finally, use the Share icon to send findings through messaging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.